Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to make juice plus peanut butter smoothie. We need 1 banana, 1 scoop of this complete juice plus chocolate. You can also use the vanilla if you want. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Some ice cubes. A little bit of broccoli. You can use any veggies if you want, and also 1 1/2 cup milk of your choice. Just blend it for a few seconds, and our juice plus peanut butter smoothie is ready to drink. It looks so creamy and delicious. Alright guys, this is it for today. If you have any comment or suggestion for me, just comment it down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you!